Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Google Chrome on your Windows 10 operating system. So for installing Google Chrome, first of all you need to open Internet Explorer or this new browser from Microsoft, which is Microsoft Edge, which is new in Windows 10. So you can open either Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, which is this icon, and this will open this browser, and in here you just need to search for Google Chrome, and the first link most probably will come here will be from google.com/chrome. So click this link and then you will reach to the Google Chrome website where you will be able to see the download button. So now we can see this download now button. You just need to click this and you just need to accept and install the license. So you just need to click this button here and it's going to download the executable file, which is the Google Chrome setup. Okay, so now our executable file is downloaded, which is chrome setup.exe. So you can run this file from clicking this button, or you can go to the folder where it's installed. So just click this view download button, or if you want to run this executable file you can click run. So just go to the view downloads and you can click this executable file from here, or you can open it in the folder and double click from here. Okay, so double click it from the downloads folder and it's going to start installing Google Chrome on your Windows 10. Click yes, and I'm going to minimize my browser so that we can see it installing. Now after the installation, Google Chrome will be automatically launched by this installer. So you can see this Google Chrome browser here. Now how you can make your Google Chrome browser default and how you can pin it to your taskbar. So I'm going to close this Google Chrome from here and you can see it's automatically pinned to your taskbar, or otherwise you can right click on this icon and you can unpin or pin it. So when I unpin, it disappears and I can open Google Chrome from here by double clicking it. Now in order to make your Google Chrome browser as a default browser for your Windows 10, for the first time it will ask if you want to set the Google Chrome browser as your default browser. You can click set as default if you want, or otherwise if you forgot to set it as default, there is another way to set this Google Chrome as your default browser. So for example, I forgot and I click don't ask again, and now I want to make it a default browser. So just go to start menu here and go to settings, and in here go to systems, and in here you can see default app section, and in the default app section right now our default browser is Microsoft Edge. You can just click it and make Google Chrome as your default browser. So you can just click this one and it will make Google Chrome as your default browser. Now in order to pin Google Chrome to your taskbar or your start menu, what you can do is you can go to this Google Chrome shortcut and right click on it, and if you want to pin it to the start menu you can just click pin to start, and if you want to pin it to the taskbar you can just click pin to taskbar. So in this way you can download and install Google Chrome on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for